Hi, this video is about how to use your iPad to upload files to your Canvas account for your students. Let's say you have a document, worksheet, packet, anything like that that maybe you don't have an electronic copy of it. Some teachers do morning work, DOL, things like that, and you just have this paper copy. And you want to get that paper copy into your Canvas files, and the kids can either just read it, or you made an assignment where you want them to do a PDF annotation on it and submit it, whatever you need. So there are a couple ways to do that. I did a video on using your Notes app. This video is about using an app called Genius Scan, which is free on the App Store, and a really nice tool to make your life easier. So here's how you do it. Go ahead and find whatever document you want to upload and open Genius Scan. And then hit the little plus button in the bottom left corner, and we're going to scan from our camera. Then you go ahead and take your photo. And if it has more than one page, go ahead and do the second page. Okay. Go ahead and click done. And now you can see we have our scan. At the top, it gives it a really weird name. So I'm going to go ahead and tap that and just rename it whatever the name of the article is. So something about free college, and hit rename. So now I know what I'm looking at. And it renames both. So it really treats it as one assignment. Bottom right corner, your share sheet symbol, go ahead and click that. And then format it's changing it to a PDF, and I'm going to click Files. Save it, export it to my files on my iPad. And I put PDFs in my pages and click Add. Now we're going to use our second app, the Canvas Teacher app. Let me get out of that and show you from the beginning what that looks like. Here's my Canvas Teacher app. Click that. That's going to go ahead and log you in if you've already logged in before. Go to the course that you want that document to be in. Click Files. And then you have your little plus sign. We're going to add a file. We're going to add a file. We're going to upload a file because we saved it. And then we just have to browse and figure out where we put it, which we put it in Pages. So we'll go ahead and click on Pages and see if we can find the one called Free College, and it's right there. So I click it, and now it's uploading it. And there it is, Free College PDF. Very simple, very free, and save you a lot of time at the copy machines. I hope you enjoyed this video and saves you some time. Thanks.